Hey, Pretentious Engineer here. I know you didn't ask, but my wife wanted me to make her some Harry Potter decorations, so I bought a laser cutter, and that doesn't really work upstairs, so I built a workbench, and I want to give you a tour because it's cool. So first of all, apologies, I'm kind of in shop mode right now, but I put this thing together. It's got like a nice butcher board top on it. I stained it, had to build it into two pieces, and then all the connections are hidden joints. So I use Craig jigs and everything. They're wonderful. I'm a big fan. And then the bottom is plywood sheeting. And what's really nice about it, I got the whole thing super square and flat. So I actually laid multiple sheets of plywood out over there and made a box to kind of constrain everything so it'd be nice and square on the corners. And the coolest thing is that my miter stand, which will eventually be painted, should hypothetically fit in here. If I measured correctly. Big moment here. Oh, yes! Well, I mean, it's pretty nice. Eventually the stain will match, and then I'm also gonna make another board that I could replace and put over here with supports so that I could have a continuous work table. And then the other final thing to check, I mean, this thing is super flat and square, so I just make sure everything's good and label on it, just set the ball down. There we go, nice and cramped. Yeah, so the table's not level. This is a known issue. It's level horizontally, but when I put the laser cutter on it, it has to be level to not damage the laser cutter. So I gotta figure out how to put this thing on stilts to kind of have a 1-inch lift, because it sits really nice. Just, it's not level, it's crooked.